Life is the name of continuous change. Colleagues around us are learning new things. They build new skill sets. With the advent of internet, knowledge is easily available. The competition in workspaces also increases very fast. If we did not change or adopt changes, we will obsolete. Knowledge, experience, or a skill we have possible no longer needed or cheap replacement is already available. According to John Maxwell, change is inevitable, growth is optional. There is one tool which different organizations use to evaluate their marketplace and plan their future. We can use this tool in a personal level. This tool is called SWOT analysis. What does SWOT stands for? SWOT is acronym that stands for strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. We cannot achieve our goals if we do not evaluate ourselves. Now question is how to conduct a personal level SWOT analysis. We need to record our responses to the following questions for successful SWOT analysis. Honest answers to these questions leads us to a point where we clearly understanding where we stand. We have to build 4 lists, each list of a different questions. So discuss step by step. Pick a copy pencil or open some digital note apps because there are a lot of questions we need to answer. Strengths. What distinguishes you from the others? For example, talent, qualification, education, or connections. What do you excel at that no one else does? What personal resources do you have? What do others, especially your superior, regard you as a strength? Which of your accomplishments make you a proudest? Are you a part of a network that no one else? If yes, do you have any ties with the prominent people? It's better to get answers from someone else as a feedback. Better to note down your answer. Knowing yourself is the first step for your success. You have to know yourself, and we all know ourselves. Weaknesses. So what are my weaknesses? Note down answer to these questions. What tasks do you typically avoid because you lack confidence in your ability to do them? What will the people around you perceive as your flaw? Do you have a total faith in your education or skill or a training? If not, where are you most vulnerable? What are your negative work habits? For example, you are frequently late, unorganized, have a quick temper, or you bad at dealing with stress. Do you have a personality qualities that prevent you from succeeding in your field? A fear of public speaking, for example, would be a serious drawback if you had to lead meetings on the regular basis. Again, note what others say about you, ask them, note them, and also honest to these questions provide you a clear understanding of your weaknesses. Opportunities. Is there any way to create opportunities with your strengths or improving or removing one of some weaknesses? What new technologies can you use to your advantage? Can you seek assistance from others or from individuals on the internet? Is your industry expanding? If so, how can you capitalize on the current market? Do you have a network of strategic connections that can assist you or provide a sound advice? What management or other trends do you perceive in your firm and how you can capitalize on them? Are any of your rival missing key step? If so, can you profit from their errors? Is there an unmet demand on your organization or industry? Do your consumer or vendors have a complaint about your company? If there is, in this case, you may create opportunity by providing a solution. Threads. What obstacles are standing between you and your dreams? What issues or problem could created by your weaknesses if you did not work on them? Is there any colleague competing with you for your projects or promotion? Now, what is the next step? Next step is action plan and follow up. Now we have a list of our weaknesses, strengths, opportunities. Next step is to decide what actions we have to take to minimize threats and take advantages of opportunities. I recommend you build a to-do list or action plan. When you have an action plan or a to-do list, we have to follow up. Follow up is important. If we do not follow up, we will not improve or take benefit from a SWOT analysis. So guys, I have told you every single thing about SWOT analysis for a personal growth. Just follow these steps and ask yourself questions mentioned above. Note down all answers and working on these help you to grow. You will be growing a lot when you implement this technique in your daily life. Kindly like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel. Goodbye and take care.